Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a different method of booking your profit in option trading with auto average function. Okay, here we are not giving points or percentage as target, but amount as the target. Okay, the strategy is very simple. If you want to place order for 3000 quantities, split the order into quantities of 500. Okay, first place 500 quantities. The target should be in amount, example 5000 rupees. So whenever the price drops some points, we will add 500 more. That means if we fill our first order at the average price of 210 rupees, and when price goes down to 205 rupees, we will add 500 more. So we will get two benefits. One is our new buy price changes from 210 to 207.5. Second one is, earlier we should get 10 points to reach our target, but now it will require 5 points. Okay. If it again drops to 202.5 rupees, we will add 500 more. So our new average price become little more lower and our target become 3.3 rupees. So our chance of profit becomes higher. I hope you all understand the underlying concept of this strategy. This is absolutely for scalper who wants to exit at small profits. We should keep a strict stop loss before doing this. Okay. Here I am showing you the software to execute these orders. Okay, here I want to set the profit target of 5000 rupees. Okay, and number of lots 10 lots, and I want to average, means adding more quantities whenever the price drops 5 points from current LTP. Current average price. I want to do this process 5 times, that maximum of 5 times. After that it want to average. Okay, we have set the target 5000 rupees and auto average 5 points and maximum average 5 times. Okay, it's all done, and I'm clicking PE buy. Okay, our target is reached and order is exited. I will again place the order. Okay, 500 more quantities is added. Now we have 1000 quantities, but our target is just 5000 rupees. Okay, 500 more quantities added. Okay, our target is reached and order is exited. Okay, I hope you all understand how to do average along with profit target. Join our Telegram group to get more information about the software. Our website link is given in description. As of now, we have added only few brokers and we will add more brokers soon. If you have any feedbacks or queries, please write in comments. Thank you for watching.